Class ninth Economics, NCERT, Chapter 2, People as Resource. Point 1, Various aspects of human resource development. 2, Role of education. 3, unemployment and forms of unemployment in India. Human beings perform many activities which can be grouped into economic and non-economic. Heading: Economic activities. Economic activities refer to those activities of human which are undertaken for a monetary gain or to satisfy his or her wants. The activities of workers, farmers, shopkeepers, manufacturers, doctors, lawyers, taxi drivers, etc. fall under this category. Heading to non-economic activities. Non-economic activities are ones that are not undertaken for any monetary gain. These are also called unpaid activities. Example: puja path, housekeeping, helping the poor and or disabled, etc. Heading: Classification of economic activities. Various economic activities can be classified into three main sectors, that is primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. The primary sector includes activities like agriculture, forestry, animal husbandry, fishing, poultry, farming and mining. In this sector, goods are produced by exploiting nature. In the secondary sector, manufacturing (small and large) and constructing activities are included. The tertiary sector (also called service sector) provides various types of services like transport, education, banking, insurance, health, tourism, etc. Heading: Market activities and non-market activities. Economic activities, that is production of goods and services, can be classified into market activities and non-market activities. Market activities are performed for remuneration. Non-market activities are the activities carried out for self-consumption. Heading: Activities of women. Women generally look after domestic affairs like cooking of food, washing of clothes, cleaning of utensils, housekeeping and looking after children. Heading: Human capital. Human capital is the stock of skill and productive knowledge embodied in human beings. Population human beings become human capital when it is provided with better education, training and health care facilities. Heading: People as a resource. People as a resource is a way of referring to a country's workforce in terms of their existing skill and abilities. Human capital. Heading: Human capital formation. Human capital heading है, and under this heading, formation: when the existing human resource is further developed by spending on making the workforce more educated and healthy, it is called human capital formation. Second, quality of population. The quality of population depends upon the literacy rate, life expectancy and skill formation acquired by the people of the country. Third heading: Role of education. Education is the most important component of human resource development in view of its contribution towards the growth of the society. Government expenditure on education as a percentage of GDP rose from 0.64% in 1951 to 52 to 3.98 in 2002. to 2003. However, our national goal is 6% of GDP. Heading Health. Health is another very important component of human resource development. The efficiency of worker largely depends on their health. There has been a considerable improvement in the country's health standard. For instance, the life expectancy at the time of birth in India rose from 32.2 years in 1951 to 63.9 years in 2001. Similarly, the infant mortality rate has come down from 147 to 70 during the same time period. Heading Unemployment. Unemployment is said to exist when people who are willing to work at the prevailing wage rates cannot find jobs. When we talk to unemployed people, we refer to those in the age of group of 15 to 59 years, children below 15 years of age, and the old people above 60 are not considered while counting the number of unemployed. Heading Nature of Unemployment in India. Seasonal unemployment occurs when people fail to get work during some methods of the year, in bracket that is during off season bracket close dot. Farms labor usually face this kind of problem. I disguised unemployment is another kind of unemployment found in rural areas. Such kind of problem arises due to excessive pressure of population on agriculture. Disguised unemployment refers to a situation wherein the number of workers in a job is more than actually required to do the job. The extra number of workers are disguisedly unemployed. Heading Consequences of Unemployment. Point 1. Unemployment leads to wastage of manpower resource. Point 2. Unemployment tends to increase the economic overload, that is, the dependence of the unemployed on the working population. Point 3. Unemployment may lead to an increase in social unrest and tension. Here, chapter 2 is completed. Thank